Primetime news this evening. Major development in the country's largest cocaine seizure case. 5 men charged and will face the courts. How come? Residents livid with the JPS over spike in electricity bills. And man's family cries foul after he was killed by security forces following Cherry Tree Lane massacre.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, this evening we're looking at financial education, and there are about $31 million in scholarships to be handed out to teachers across the island to help them be able to teach financial literacy in the education system. So I'll give the details a little later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Jordan?
Well, Archie, there's more trouble brewing between Cricket West Indies and the Jamaica Cricket Association over money. We'll have the details in Primetime Sports Monday. And Jamaica's newest sprint star, Kishane Thompson, will be back in action in the Diamond League. We'll tell you when and where a little later on.
Thank you, Jordan, and welcome back to Jamaica. All right, so there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, have you seen marked increases in your most recent electricity bill? And what was your reaction?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail after the break.